Hey there, everybody. I hope that you are having a sweet Saturday morning. Hey, grab yourself a cuppa and watch me unpack this happy mail from Laurie B. Now, let me tell you about Laurie. So, Laurie sends me things, and the return address on the box is my address. So, Laurie is like this angel art person that sends me all kinds of creative things, and I never have the opportunity to write her a thank you note or anything because she doesn't leave her address. But she is like, it's kind of like just a little bit of magic when you get something from Laurie. So Laurie, thank you, thank you, thank you. The first thing that's in this box is these awesome page protectors. Now let me tell you about page protectors. For one thing, I use them for storage. The other thing is that that Chris uses them to put his lyric sheets in for when he plays acoustic. He has this huge collection of songs, and so these will, part of them I will keep and part of them I will give to my fella, so he has some new page protectors for his lyric sheets. So thank you, Miss Laurie. The next thing in this bag is, look at all these beautiful like stickers and things. Oh, and there's even some cut out sentences. Looks like they might be gleaned from some magazines. Let's just pull this all out and see what we got here. Oh my goodness. Love things like this. And these are like cardstock stickers. Look at that. Oh, I can so see these on some cards. Oh look, these are like cardstock tags. Neat. Oh man, these are really pretty. Pink paisley. Oh, it's pink paisley. Oh, love those. Oh goodness, look at that. Now that just screams spring, doesn't it? More stickers. Oh look, some things cut from magazines. If I had opposable thumbs, I'd give it a thumbs up. Oh, look at that. That's really cool. I love maps. That's such a pretty blue there. Oh, look, look, look. Very cool. Oh my goodness. Oh, these are going to be so perfect for using with my my BIG glue book. There's an eyeball. I'm going to take that out right this second. I'm going to put it in a book because it's small. I don't want to lose that eyeball. I love eyes. Framework. Look at all these pretty frames. Oh, look at that polar bear baby. Some bison. I don't know if you guys have watched Outer Range yet on, geez, I can't remember if it's Netflix or Prime Video. It might be Prime Video, but it is like sci-fi, cowboy, horses, living on a farm, hippie chick. It ticks all the boxes. It just ticks all the boxes. Outer Range is a great, and there's a bison that figures significantly in that. Kitty cat. And oh my goodness, look at that. Now, do you know who's going to love these? My mama. Mama loves anything with glitter, anything that sparkles, and she particularly loves birds. I send Mama cards every week. You know, she's going to get a different kind of card. And it's so nice. You know, even things like this, like a postcard. She loves things like this. Thank you, Laurie. Oh my goodness, so many things to choose from. Look at all that. I'm going to have a great big glue book session for sure. Making theater history. I used to work for children's theater, so anything theater related is very, look at all that. That's super cool. is interesting to me. I worked for a marionette theater. For what seemed like a long time. I think it was only like 3 years. It's, I really admire anybody who can work with children. I worked in 3rd grade, you know, for 10 years as a, ooh, look at that, cool, teaching assistant. And then when I got out of 3rd grade, I was an ESL teacher, English as a second language teacher. Oh man, Hennepin County road and bike map. Look at that. That's super neato. Ooh, Arizona map. I bet that's going to be pretty. Some sheet music. Look at that. Metrics Made Easy. Barron's Educational Series. That's cool. Okay. So I think what I'm going to do is just put, so the cutout things are going to go in the big glue book. The sheet music I'm going to use to make journals. And the tagboard stickers. Tagboard stickers. What am I going to do with that? I'm sorry. Tagboard stickers, I think, would be, I mean, they're going to be great on anything, any project at all. So, thank you, Laurie. Look it. Chatterbox card kit. Beach house kit. 60 pieces, 15 pattern cards, 15 envelopes, 30 plus embossed stickers and seals. Ooh. How cool is this? I'm always looking for cards, you know. I send a lot of cards, so whether, you know, it's to mama or to friends or whatever, I do use that a whole lot. There's a pretty gold leaf right here. That's inspiring. Distress markers. Okay. I used to have these way back when, and I loved them, and I wore them slap out. Dual tip markers for paper crafting and mixed media. These will be perfect to do the pen work that I was talking about in the BIG glue book. Oh my goodness, thank you. Distress crayons. Oh my goodness, another one of those things that I kind of used for a while. I love these. They have a super creamy texture. Oh my goodness, and some pastel colors. Water reactive pigments. Oh my goodness. Well. Tim Holtz Distress Paint. Oh, with the little cap on them, with the little spongy thing on top. Ooh. Look at those colors. Gorgeous. Thank you, Laurie. And you guys, if you saw my jelly plate printing, you know that my glue is completely dried up. Fade Proof Artist Color Drawing Ink. Higgins drawing ink, and of course glue sticks, which I totally love. I just heard Chris get up, so we're going to have to cut this short. Index cards. Love index cards. Sharpies! One can never have too many Sharpies. Look at these. These are like big, bold. A chisel tip. Ooh, thank you. Love that. Look, some red. Oh, this is cool. It's like, ooh, it's like sticky electrical tape. Ooh, fun. Oh, all these. Oh my goodness. So these are envelopes. It's all, oh, okay. Oh, so these are like card making things that you can put in the envelopes, right? Oh, that's really cool. Y'all, I ate avocado this morning, and this is what happened to my thumb when I peeled the avocado. Crazy, isn't it? Oh, more stickers. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. That's super neat right there. That look cool on these. Oh, Tammy's going to play all day today. Oh, my goodness. Some paper. Cardstock. Oh, Laurie sent me a whole bunch of cardstock in her last box. Oh my goodness. Goodness, girl. You're too good. Too good to me. Too good to me. And this box also came with a little special treat in it that was like, it was so special. I don't think I can get this last one out here. But you can see his pastel colors. Thank you, Laurie. Thank you so much. I'm just going to have a delightful time today pawing through all of these wonderful things. I appreciate you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. She's my secret girl. She likes to keep a low profile, Miss Laurie does. So thank you, Laurie. Thank you, thank you. Okay, time to go downstairs and make some coffee. Chris has had shows, like out of town all week. But this big concert is in town today. So time to make coffee and get the boy on the road. Thanks, y'all, for hanging out with me. Happy Saturday. Talk to you later. Bye.